Here's a little parody song about survival staffs and walking sticks. First, the Vineyard Chicks survival staffs are packed with survival essentials.
And this video includes my top 20 things to include in your survival staff. To see me take my walking stick out foraging and show you its features in more detail, don't miss the full-length video.
And may the odds be ever in your favor.
But don't forget our live music and giveaways are now Monday night at 9 p.m. Eastern.
Buggy's Short Stuff posts on Wednesdays, and new music with KK on Fridays.
And please check out our members.